What did you say? Did you want some food? Sean? Oh, a belly rub? Did you want a belly rub? Really? A big belly rub? Don't you want some food? Oh, okay. If you roll on that side. Okay. Oh, yes. Is this the highlight of your day? Well, you get them in the morning. Hey? Hey. Do you want some food? This kind? Oh. Did you want some food? Oh. Are you hungry? Sean? Well, are you hungry? What kind of food do you want? Oh, wait, stop for a scratch. What do you want? Do you want lots? Sean? Do you want lots of food? Okay. Where is your food? Is it in the fridge? Okay, well here, we'll look for it. Where is it? Where's your food? There's your treat. Do you want some? Beep, beep, beep. Do you want some of this? I know where it goes. It goes in the bowl over there, I know. Do you want some? What? Oh, bless you. Do you want some food? What's that? What is it?